ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं मुनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। Last class one shokam karoti iti shoka, that is based on Kruchra Hetu Tachalyanulomnyeshu 3 to 20. That I said I don't remember I sutra, that is the sutra. Shokam karoti iti shoka karaha. Ta pratyaya is there by that. Okay. Now, I think only one we had done, no exercise? Only one. The first one, first sentence was done. In that Shukli Krita, because the second exercise, the third exercise, expound and name the samasas, underline. So we are doing that exercise now itself, along with that. So at a time we will be doing two. Shukli Krita is a Gati samasa. We have already analyzed. Vigraha will be Ashuklaha, Shuklaha Kritaha. This is a Gati samasa. Alright. Similarly, Hariti Kritaha, Aharitaha, Haritaha Kritaha. So that will be Gati samasa.
One fundamental doubt, that can I write Shuklam, Ashuklam, Shuklam, Kritam, and then when I am using in the sentence?
Yeah, correct. So, all right. That's not a fundamental doubt. Fundamental means, Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, any other? Okay. Next, so Hariti Krita also will have similar samasa. Chitrita is not a samasa, itach pratyaya. So it's not a samasa. Chitra plus itach chitritaha. So I think first sentence we have done. Second, yona putrayate sana putriyeta. What is the meaning?
Yaha na putrayate, one who does not behave like a child, saha na putriyet. He should not desire for son for himself.
Correct. It's a very weird sentence. What it says, Yaha na putrayate, one who does not behave like a son, putrayate. Karan, are you able to see this? Acts, behaves like a son. So one who does not behave like a son, so kyam pratyaya is there here? Putrayate atmanipada. Saha na putriyeta. Putriyeta is a vidhilinga, parasmaipada. There are kyach pratyaya there. Putriyate means Putriyet, sorry. Putriyet is equal to Na putriyet means should not desire a son. If one does not behave like a son, he should not desire a son. Means he should be a good son, then only he should have a son. Because he himself was not a good son, then he cannot bring up his son as a good son. Therefore he should not desire a son. What a sentence, you know. Alright. So putrayate, putrayate which samasa? Not samasa. Correct, it's correct. Not samasa. Putra, nama dhatu it is, yes. It's really not nama dhatu. Nama dhatu kriya pada. Nama dhatu is what here?
Putraya.
Putraya is nama dhatu. Okay. Huh?
Is it wrong to say that one who does not act like a son should not be treated like a
Huh?
one who does not act like a son should not be treated like a son?
No, because putriyeta he is been desiring. Putriyeta means he has got the desire, the meaning of desire. Therefore, and also even if we want to make a karmani prayoga, it should be karmani prayoga governs which pada? Paraspara pada or atmani pada? That's why also it will not happen. All right. Next one. Tanaya.
सुखदुःखे त्वं मत्समीपस्थः सर्वदा असखीयथाः.
What is the meaning?
सुखदुःखे in the sorrow and happiness,
Sukha dukhe?
in happiness and sorrow, त्वं you मत्समीपस्थः, you who is staying near me, त्वं मत्समीपस्थः, सर्वदा always असखीयथाः, have always acted like a friend.
Sarvada acted.
Always acted, behave like a friend.
Okay. So what is finally?
In happiness and sorrow, you who is staying near me have always behaved like a friend.
Correct. Okay. So I will read the translation. Sukha dukhe, in pleasure and pain, tvam, you, mat samipasthaha, remaining near me, sarvada, always, asakhiyathaha is a nama dhatu kriya pada. Asakhiyathaha means acted like a friend. So translation will be sukha dukhe, in pleasure and pain, you remaining near me, always acted like a friend. Alright. Here sukha dukhe so is a samasa. Sukha dukhe is a saptami ekvachanam. So sukha dukhe Aruna which samasa? Samahara dvanda. What is the vigraha? Sukha dukkhanam samahara sukha dukhe. Sukha dukkhayoho samahara sukha dukhe. So it is samahara dvandva. Sukha dukhe and saptami ekvachanam sukha dukhe. Mat samipasthaha which samasa? Which samasa? Don't be afraid. I am just coming to here. Not that tiger like. Which samasa you have written? Very good. What will be the vigraha? Then only full word is what? So vigraha will be what? Full vigraha? Little bit. What you have done? Have you done vigraha?
I didn't do vigraha, but there are two samasas. Matsamipa and matsamipasthaha.
So what is the first vigraha?
Shashti, mama samipa.
Mama samipam. Mama samipam.
And matsamipasthaha is, sthaha is the Kridam Tagir.
So what is the vigraha? You have done vigraha? Not done. Have you done vigraha? Anybody? Vigraha done? Correct? Vigraha done? What? Mat samipe or mat samipam also okay, but mat samipe, mama samipam, mat samipam. Mama samipam, mat samipam, and mat samipe तिष्ठति इति मत्समीपस्थः. उपपद समास. Is upapada samasa, and here which sutra will be applied?
Supistha.
Huh?
Supistha.
Huh?
Supistha. Supistha.
So what is that? Supistha. Correct. What is the number?
3, 4, 5.
Huh? Okay, 3 to 5 or 4, whatever. All right. So, okay, let me tell you the final meaning. Sukha dukkhe, we have already done. Okay, this meaning I have already told. In pleasure and pain, you remaining near me, always behaved like a friend. Okay. Next one. Fourth.
यः मित्राणि शात्रुयति सः निन्दार्हः. One who acts like enemy to friends, he is deserving blame.
He acts like?
He is deserving blame.
Okay, So, Shatruyati means behaves like?
Acts like enemy. Shatruyati.
Or actually treats, here it is in sense of treats. One who treats like enemy to the friends. Saha nindarhaha means worthy of blame, we don't say, worthy of criticism, censure. Okay. So here, one who, shatruyati, treats like, one who treats friends like enemies. In English we have to put in between. One who treats friends like enemy, saha, that person, nindarhaha, worthy of criticism, censure. Here which samasa is there? Which word is the samasa?
Nindarhaha is samasa. Gati samasa. Gati.
How gati?
Ninda is a name. Sankhya. Therefore, like that.
How gati? Gati for what is the nimitta should be?
Arha is the word.
So gati, when it will come?
Sankhya pada with kridanta. Gati samasa is Sankhya pada.
Which pada?
Sankhya.
Sankhya pada. Here what is Sankhya? Sankhya means what?
Name.
Sangha means name. Sankhya means number. Sankhya means number, Sangha means name. What is the Vigraha? Nindarha, Vigraha, anybody? Karan? Good. Ach pratyaya. Nindarhaha. Nindam arhati iti nindarhaha. So is a upapada samasa. Karmani. Nindam arhati. Okay, I think karmani and so nindarhaha. So one who deserves the criticism is nindamaraha, upapada samasa. So final meaning will be one who treats his friends like enemies, he is worthy of criticism, censure. Okay, next. You have done next sentence?
एवं यदा कलह येते तदा वयं दुःखाय
Please read properly. Means what? When you quarrel? Little different. We suffer misery. Tada dukkhayamahe. So dukkhayamahe, which form it is?
It is
not zakara.
Which form it is?
Uttama purushah bahuvata.
But what is the speciality of this kriyapada? Malini? Nama dhatu. It is a nama dhatu. Which pratyaya? Kyan pratyaya. It is given here in the book. One big table is given. Page number 133 you see. Dukkhayate. Suffers misery. It is not a good grieve. So translation would be Yuvam means both of you. Yada, when. Kalahayete, quarrel. Madhyama Purushat, Dvivachanam. Kalahayete, se ithe dve. Lat lakara. Tada, when both of you quarrel, tada, then, vayam. Vayam means we all. Dukkhaya mahe, we grieve. Okay, dukkhaya mahe, we grieve. Alright. So here which word is samasa? Which kalaya mein? Which word is samasa? No samasa. Correct? No samasa. Alright, next one. So whose turn it is? Okay, your turn. I think you seem to know the sentence.
Jaram Sitalikritya Mam Sayaya. Having made the water cold, made me drink.
Correct, very good. Correct sentence. Shitali Kritya. Because Shitali Kritya is a samasa. They have not underlined, but it is a samasa. It is a gati samasa. Shitali Kritya. What will be the vigraha of Shitali Kritya?
Sitaram Karoti.
What you have written? You written? Okay. Anybody written? You have written?
Shitalam krutva.
Little bit different. Written?
I have written Sheetalam Krutva.
Little incomplete. Arun.
These are two parts to it. The first one will be Ashitalam karoti. The Shitali plus, that is Tvi Pratyaya.
Karoti ne? Ashitalam shitalim krutva. Ashitalam shitalam krutva. Or in fact there is a technically ashitalam sampadyate tam krutva. That is a technical way of saying, but simple is ashitalam krutva. Alright. So jalam shitali kritya. Vigraha will be this. Ashitalam This is a very practical one. Technically, it should be like this. अशीतलं शीतलं संपद्यते तत्कृत्वा. That is a technical way of saying sampadya kartari, but here a simple one is ashitalam shitalam krutva. Which samasa it is? Huh? Gati samasa, correct. All right, next. Malini, next one. Ahuta. What is the meaning? You have written, no?
The mother afflicted by sorrow was called by the poor child laying on the stone.
Lying on the
Stone.
stone. Correct. Rock. Correct. Very good. Correct. So, the mother afflicted with pain, shoka pidita. The mother, mata means mother, shoka pidita, afflicted with pain, ahuta, was called. By what? By whom? Daridra Shishura, poor child. Shila Shayana, who was lying on the Shila, rock. So Shila Shayana, which samasa? Upapada samasa. What is the vigraha?
Shilayam Shete.
Huh?
Shilayam Shete.
Shilayam Shete iti Shilashayaha. Correct. We studied now that Shete, it came now here we did. Oh, acha, that didn't come. Shete. Adhikarane. Adhikarane Shete. There is a sub-sutra. Adhikarane. Alright. So, Vigraha will be Shilayam Shete iti Shilashayaha tena. Daridra Shishuna. What is the Vigraha? Avantika, Daridra Shishu means what? इतना तो बता ही सकते हैं आप. Daridra means what? Poor. Shishu means? So Daridra Shishu means what? That's all. So, Vigraha. What is the Vigraha? Karmadhara. Correct. Daridraha cha asau shishuhu cha daridra shishuhu. All right. So it is a karmadhara samasa. Shoka pidita. What is the vigraha? Tritiya tatpurusha. Okay. Shokena pidita. Shoka pidita. Tritiya tatpurusha. Good. So meaning, I already told the meaning. Next one. Who is there? Karan. Sentence.
Vaspayamanan Sharanagatan Putri Ye Sadhuhu. Meaning is, noble person would treat the people who are shedding tears and have surrendered to him as his son.
Again.
Noble person would treat the people, and for the people the adjective, who are shedding tears and have surrendered as his son.
As his sons, yeah. Okay. So here, Bashpayamanan is a Namadhatu. Namadhatvanta, Namadhatu ka Krudanta is a Krudanta which is added to Namadhatu. Namadhatu Krudanta. Bashpayamanan means shedding tears. Nitya Bhuvachanam. Sharanagatan. Sharanagatan, what will be the vigraha? Tanaya? Sharanagatan. Here, one other samasa also is possible. Sharanasya agataha. Sharana karmaka agata. That also is possible. But generally Sharanagatan is okay. Alright. Then Putriyeta, should treat. So final meaning, Sadhuhu, a noble person. Putri, a noble person should treat. Putriyeta should treat like sons to the people who have surrendered to him and shedding tears. Bashpayamanan Sharanagatan Janan. People. So noble person should treat the people like his sons. Noble person should treat like sons to the people who have surrendered to him and shedding tears. So idea is that if somebody has surrendered to this person and shedding tears, means they are in pain, then those people who have surrendered, they should be treated like their own son by the noble person. Okay. So here there is no, samasa, they are not mentioned, only underline we are going to do it. But Sharanagata also is a samasa. Okay. Huh?
How is this 58 in this sentence different from 58 in the second sentence that we saw?
Putriya, catch pratyaya, kyang pratyaya, putriyet, this putriyet is a kyang. So,
Second sentence putriyet, Swamiji. Yana putrayate sana putriyet.
So that's what putriyet has got so many meanings. Kyang pratyaya has got so many meanings. One is acts like, treat like, both are meaning. Desire. In the lesson we have studied this. In the beginning of this lesson we have studied that the catch pratyaya is used in the sense of desiring the object and also treating like. Both the meanings are there. Alright, next one. Whose turn it is on? Niklesh, your turn has come again. Anybody here at the back? Okay, so,
दयाशून्यं हृदयं न प्रशंसनीयम्.
What is the meaning? You have written or not written?
I have written.
What written? Please read only that.
The heart empty of compassion should not be praised.
Should not be praised. Okay. Little hard. Can you little refine this? Correct. Idea was correct.
The heart devoid of compassion should not be praised.
Yes. Yeah, should not be or is not worthy of praise. Prasamsaniyam, which pratyaya is there? Aniyar pratyaya. Alright. So, daya shunyam. What is the vigraha, Arun?
Daya Shunyam.
Which samasa? So, devoid of compassion. Hridayam, the heart. The heart devoid of compassion, na prasamsaniyam, is not worthy of praise. You can make it is also. Na prasamsaniyam asti. Is not worthy of praise or not worth praising. Prasamsaniyam is worth praising. Na prasamsaniyam is not worth praising. So here daya shunya is the samasa, tritiya tatpurusha. Alright. Sai Krishna, next one.
Shubha shubham samik kurvantaha shashvatim shantim anubhavanti.
What you have written?
Those who are treating auspicious and inauspicious to the same, they experience eternal peace. They experience eternal peace.
Correct. Shubha shubham means auspicious and inauspicious, good or bad. Samikurvantaha means treating in the same manner, treating as equal. Samikurvantaha. So, people, those who are treating good and bad equally, anubhavanti, experience, shashvatim shantim, eternal peace. So the people who treat auspicious and inauspicious, good and bad equally, attain or experience eternal peace. Here what is the samasa, Sai Krishna? Which word is samasa?
Shubha samahara. Samahara.
How? Vigra? Shubham cha, ashubham cha, shubham shubha. That also is okay. Shubha shubhayo samahara, shubha shubham. Okay.
Can be equalizing, I have written it small, but equalizing auspiciousness and inauspiciousness is not right.
Equalizing is, it means you are making them equal. Equalizing has got the meaning. Here we are not making equal, we are treating equal.
Making auspicious, inauspicious equal. It's not
Making is not correct.
It's not
Treating.
because kurvanta, it's sami kurvanta.
Samikurvanta has got the idea. Vachyartha wise you are right. He also said this only. But the idea wise we don't making equal and unequal. So we are treating equally.
No, I mean, it's not referring, is it referring to the people? This,
People, yeah, Samikurvanta people, yes. The people who are treating Shubha and Ashubha equally. Samikurvantaha refers to people. What you thought?
I thought making auspicious, inauspicious people.
Making also would be the person only, no? Who makes? People only. But Shubha and Ashubha will not make itself, no? So there even making, if you say, it will be people only. Isn't it? Who makes Shubha and Ashubha? People. Okay. Alright. Shubha Shubham Samahara Dvandva Samikurvantaha. Samikurvanta also is a samasa. Which samasa? Which pratyaya? How is became Gati samasa? Chvi pratyanta. That's probably what will be the vigraha? Okay, Arun. Try.
Samim kurvanti.
Asamam samam
Huh?
asamam samam karoti.
Asamam samam kurvantaha. Okay. Now the next exercise we have already done. So because they said expound and name the samasa underline. We have already done more than what they expected we did. They have not underlined, that also we have done. Alright, so we should get 105 marks, not 100. Alright, next one, Mustandhyasama. Pleasures lasting for a moment make the heart languid. Kshanika. Amma, what is the number? Grammatically number I am asking, not the sentence number one only. Pleasures is what is the vachanam? Kim vachanam? So pavitrya kim uktam? Correct. So now just correct, this page only correct. Correct. Kshanikani sukhani hridayam shithili kurvanti. Okay, I will write this sentence. So pleasure lasting for a moment, that they expect us to do samasa. So kshanika sukhani. Kshanika sukhani hridayam shithili kurvanti. Acha, here a baby says that shithili and kurvanti should be separately written.
Shanika sukhani. Shanika sthal sukhani because lasting.
No. Kshanika itself has got the idea lasting. Okay, kshanika, it has got the meaning. In fact, kshana sukham also is the expression. Okay. So here a baby, he says that shithili and kurvanti, they should be written separately. Shithili kurvanti. We cannot write together. Generally write together, but he said doesn't. Because there is no samasa between the two. Alright. For us it doesn't make. Whatever is to be written separately, we write together. Together we have got some space. So we don't bother about it. But just we need to know. Okay, second, whose turn it is? Next. You have done?
The first two I didn't do. First two I didn't do. This I did.
Only first you did.
First two I didn't do. I started from 3.
Why? You didn't know what to do. You didn't know, or what is the reason? You couldn't do it.
I wanted to start from 3.
Why? What is the reason?
There is no reason.
Huh?
The time was not enough to do all of them.
So you thought your turn will come at when third comes, huh? What a lot. I think you have learned from your Sanskrit class. You are following here also. But But how do you know that here we don't follow any such logic? So you thought that you will never be started with, huh? Ah, good, good. Anyway, so it's okay, okay, no problem. You have done? Ah.
Lying on your bed the whole day, you should not expect to succeed in your examination.
Okay, very good. Yes,
Tava shayayam samvishta, that becomes swashaya samvishta.
Swa, okay, Shayya. Swa Shayya.
Samvishta.
Okay, okay, let me hear you first.
So the sentence I have formed is Sampurnam Dinam or Dina Sampurnam Swashayya
Dina Sampurnam, Sampurna Dinam.
Sampurna Dinam Swashayya Samvishtaha Tvam Parikshayam Phalitum Na Vyapekshasva.
Phalitum na
Vyapekshasva.
Vyapeksha is Atmanipada. So, Vyapekshas Swa. Okay, 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 correct, okay. But here, Shayaha, better word will be Shete. Okay, you have done? Correct, idea wise correct, but some more refinement we can have.
Tvat shayya shayaha adinam.
Tvattar, what is it?
Tvat shayya.
Tvat Shaya, okay, you are bad,
Tvat shayya shayaha adinam tvam parikshayam siddhim na apekshetaha.
Correct, correct, yes. Adinam, correct. Adinam or Akhila Dinam? Adinam. Akhila Dinam is better because we have still not done this Avyayi Bhava, so Akhila Dinam. So the sentence will be Akhila Dinam Shayya Swa Shayya Shayaha. Okay, I will let me write. Akhila Dinam. It's a samasa. Swa Shayya Shayaha. Nice poetic. Swa Shayya Shayaha. San Tvam Parikshayam Siddhim Na apekshataha, or na apekshata is better. You should not. Or lung lakar also can be used. You should not expect to succeed. Na apekshetaha. Apeksheta is a Atmanepadi Vidhilinga. Alright, so here Swashayya Shayaha is a Swashayya is a Sashti Tatpurusha. Swashayyayam Shete iti Swashayya Shayaha is a Upapada Samasa. Okay. Akhila Dinam Karmadharya. Akhilam cha tad dinam cha Akhila Dinam. And it is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Akhila Dinam. Duration comes in the second case. Next. Whose turn it is? Malini. Third. Shalam. Shalam. Simple. Shalam. Don't say Shalam. Shalam. Shunyi Krutya. Atithyartham. Prayungshva. Okay, good. Or simple Annam Pacha also we can say. Or Sajji Kuru. Prayunjethaha. Okay. This one is not done in any class, no? Is it done? Any one of the 3 classes? Done? Not done, no? Okay, okay. So the sentence will be Shalam Shunyi Krutya Shunyeekritya, very difficult to even pronounce. Shunyeekritya. Shunyeekritya Atityartham. Atityartham, sorry. Annam or Bhojanam. Pacha you can say. Or Sajji Kuru. Or Prayungshva. Or Prayunjethaha. Prayunjethaha. All this possible. Shalam Shunyeekritya Atityartham Annam Pacha Sajjikuru Prayujyethaha. So here two samasa. Shunyeekritya Gati samasa. Atityartham Chaturthi Tatpurusha samasa. Next. Current.
Desires to live deprived of happiness. Kaha sukha viyuktaha san jivitum ichhati.
If you want to use san pratyaya, how will you use? San pratyaya have been taught? Jijivishati. Sukha rahitaha or viyuktaha you said, no? Viyuktaha. San kaha jivitum ichhati. Sanpatya if you use jijivishati. Alright. So here the samasa is deprived of happiness. Sukhena rahitaha, sukha rahitaha. Alright, so next. Anybody there? Okay. Nikhilesh.
Having falsified the words of the witnesses, the dog was punished. Sakshi Vachanani Nitya Bhutma
Correct.
Stenaha
Stena? Shataha. What do you say? How do you say? Stena. Now? Shataha. Tha. Shataha.
Sakshi Vachanani Nitya Bhutya Shataha
Adandyata. Or we can say Danditaha also. Make it simple. Okay. So, Sakshi Vachanani Mithyakritya Shataha Danditaha we can say or Adandyata. Okay. In this, anything? In this, what are the samasa? Sakshi Vachanani, which samasa? If it was there, the statement of, the words of witness, what is there here now? No.
Witnesses.
So here Vigraha is what?
Sakshi Vachanani.
Vigraha is what?
Sakshinaha Vachanani. Sakshinam Vachanani.
Vigraha is Sakshinam Vachanani. If it was singular?
Sakshinaha Vachanani.
Okay. In that case, what will be the difference in the samasa form?
There is no difference.
No difference. So witnesses words or witness words of one witness, samasa will be the same. Sakshi Vachanani Mithya Kritya. Which samasa? What do you say? Huh?
They have given here.
What they have given?
Nityakrutya.
Where they have given?
In the list.
Mithyakrutya, correct. Gati Saman. So just because they have given, we should not say something different. Okay, 6. Yes. 6.
The flames of the fire make the room reddish.
Hmm.
Flames of the fire, shiki shikhaha.
Shiki Shikha.
Shiki shikhaha.
Okay, very good. Poetic. Or Agni Shikha. Okay.
Room koshtham and make the room reddish. Rakti kurvanti.
So finally,
Agni shikhaha koshtham rakti kurvanti.
or Shalam. Okay. Agni Shikha, or we take Tanaya as Shiki Shikha. Shikha, Shalam, Koshtam also okay. Koshtam, Rakti Kurvanti. Tanaya, which is the samasa Rakti Kurvanti?
Not a samasa.
Huh?
It's not a samasa.
So where is samasa here?
Agni Shikha.
Which samasa?
Shashti Tattva.
Correct, yes. Alright, so I am tempted to do one more. Okay.
Strong like a leopard and quick like a rabbit, the thief departed after stealing my mother's bread.
Shardula they have given, huh? Generally, Shardula is not Shardula they use for lion. I am surprised. Anyway, Shardula. So, Nara Shardula they say. So, it's a lion generally. Anyway, we'll check. But let us have Shardula. Shardula.
Shardula Balaha. That is Karmadharaya here. Upamana.
Balahani, Bali or Prabala. Shardula Prabalaha.
Shardula Prabalaha. Then the second would also be Karmadharaya Upamana. Shasha Shigraha.
Kshipra or Shigraha. Shasha Shigraha.
Shasha Shigraha.
Cha. Cha. Choraha.
Choraha. Mama Mata Bharanam. Here Mama Mata will be Shashti.
Man Matra Bharanam.
Matru-bharanam, chorayitva.
What you written? You please read. Apagataha. Okay. Let us conclude last one. Shardula Prabalaha. Shasha Shigraha. Cha Choraha. Manmatru Bharanam or Manmatra Bharanam. Bharanani, plural is there, no? Bharanani Chorayitva Gataha. That's all. Shardula Prabalaha Shashashigraha Cha Choraha Manmatra Bharanani Chorayitva Gataha. Let him go. So now we also go. All right. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.